Hello, my name is Elena, and my view on global climate change is that we should be addressing it right now rather than later. As Professor Poffenroth said in one of her lecture videos, we as Americans don't really address issues that aren't life-threatening to us. And for example, terrorism would be something that was threatening to our country, but global climate change, our government doesn't really see that as something that's threatening us right this minute, so they want to wait until it's too late, basically. This is a really bad choice because the consumer goods that we're using are eventually aren't going to be accessible for our future generations because we're using so much of it. Us as Americans, we actually use a lot more consumer goods than other developing countries. And this is pretty bad because I would say the consumer goods that we use would be like eating a lot more meat or driving around when we could be walking or bicycling instead. These are the kind of consumer goods that we could be doing right now to help global climate change stop or lessen it. But global climate change is definitely a huge impact for our Earth and our future generations because one example would be in the weather right now, where farmers usually know rain is going to happen. That's where they put their crops, as I remember Dr. Poffenroth said in one of her lecture videos. And because they have a certain area to put their crops because they know rain will go, that's where their crop will prosper and they'll have money off of that. But since global climate change, it has changed the weather, and now where rain was supposed to be, it's not there anymore. It's changed. So that's another way that global climate change has affected our planet. And we should just be really trying to do what we can to lessen our consumer goods and to try to be more informative on what we can do to stop global climate change. Thank you.